हेलो।
सबसे पहले मैं आपको वेलकम करता हूँ। आप लोग यहाँ आए, हमारे मेहमान हैं। आपके साथ जितने भी बाकी लोग हैं उनको भी हमारी तरफ से वेलकम। तब आप
थैंक
सर
यू सो
बताइए
मच,
हमारी
थैंक यू
टीम
सो मच।
क्या सर।
Good morning. Today is the last day of our 6-day visit to Kashmir. We spent last night in Gulmarg. It is so beautiful. 1947 में पाकिस्तान की आर्मी गुलमर्ग कब्जा करते हुए श्रीनगर तक पहुंच गए थे। फिर इंडियन आर्मी ने उनको हटाया और गुलमर्ग भी वापस ले लिया। So Gulmarg is a historical place from that point of view. We are leaving for Srinagar now through the panoramic route. Our plans are to visit the legendary gardens Chashma Shahi and Pari Mahal in Srinagar first. Chashma Shahi और Pari Mahal पहले जाना है. This is Tangmarg, the base for Gulmarg. In winter, you hire boots, jackets, caps from here before climbing to Gulmarg. In winter, 4-wheel drives with chained wheels go up in the snowy road. You change vehicle here to continue your journey. यहाँ के पुलिस स्टेशन छोटे किले जैसे लगते हैं। नए कैफे और बड़े-बड़े हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स के शॉप नजर आ रहे हैं। This has been a traditional route. I stopped to buy a mini samovar for kawa tea.
Sit sir sit. Samavar kaçışıyla buraya artıyor işte. Emniş borçuna. Emniş borçuna. Tapi sih emniş borç. Lagu ya mama ya hotsuna lagi emniş borç. ठीक है in this you have to put tea.
हाँ,
In this you have to put coal.
cool.
Then it will get hot. And you
Yes.
can drink.
Directly you can put it in the cup. How much is this?
It is 4,000.
And this one?
This one is also 4,000. This one is good. It has work. It's hand work.
Oh.
This is
Bought the samovar from another shop.
गुलमर्ग यहाँ तक।
We are at Chashma Shahi Mughal Gardens.
देखता हूँ भाई साहब। ये शादी बाबा।
Chashma Shahi is located in Zabarwan range. ये Zabarwan hills पूरा सिटी और डल लेक के ऊपर है। मुगल बादशाह शाहजहां ने बड़े बेटे तारा शिको को ये बगीचा तोहफे में दिया था. This is one of the gifts of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his eldest son Dara Shikoh. This is the smallest Mughal garden, but so charming. The spring water of Chashma Shahi is believed to have some medicinal properties. Our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru used to get this water from Srinagar regularly. See how tourists go inside the enclosed place at the source of Chashma Shahi. Despite prohibition, do you like it or not? Chinar trees are entwined with Kashmiri life. They grow in Greater Himalayas, Turkey, Iran. Chinar can be up to 100 feet tall. चश्मा शाही के बाहर एक साफ सुथरी ठेले से वेजिटेबल बर्गर खाए. आज लंच करने का टाइम नहीं है. आखिरी दिन है, परी महल जाना है और हो सके तो शंकराचार्य टेम्पल भी जाएंगे. We are at Pari Mahal, the abode of fairies. This is a fascinating 7-story garden. The learned Prince Dara Shikoh built this in 17th century. Pari Mahal is said to have been built on the remains of a Buddhist monastery. Dara Shikoh lived here in the mid-1650s. In his book, Dara himself refers to Pari Mahal as a residential school of Sufism headed by his spiritual guide and Sufi saint Akhund Malik Shah. Pari Mahal was used as a library and as an observatory for astronomy studies.
So this is the 6th level of Pari Mahal and Dal Lake in front. There are total 7 levels, 7 stories in Pari Mahal. You can have a beautiful look at this whole place. The real size of Dal can be seen only from this top level. In the center, you can see the Char Chinar. This is the Char Chinar, in the center of Dal Lake.
Last destination of the day is Shankaracharya Temple on the top of a hill, again overlooking the city and Dal Lake.
We're going towards the Shankaracharya Temple. It is all along there is a reserve forest. Some wildlife are also seen on this road. Beautiful greens. With our driver Tariq at the steering. Tariq is a smart man. 32-year-old.
Sorry.
जाना किधर है?
I am waiting for my wife.
अच्छा, मेरे ख्याल से इधर ही जाना है।
Yeah, this way.
The 243 step climb is doable. There are places on parapet where you can rest and then proceed. History of this temple is quite intriguing. This temple is said to have been built in 200 BC by Jaluka, the son of Emperor Ashok, who had embraced Buddhism. Most likely it started as a Buddhist temple and then gradually so many things happened. Persian scripture survives on the inner wall of this temple, suggesting some connection with Persia for sure. Adi Shankaracharya came and meditated at this place before going all over the country, reviving Hinduism in India. This temple is also called Bagh-e-Suleiman by the Jews and Persian community. So overall, a very interesting and very intriguing. But history, much of history is vague and without any foundation.
थक गया?
नहीं, ठीक है।
In the evening, going to Lal Chowk. Jhelum river in falling light, so majestic. Hired a three-wheeler like the local and moving. Lal Chowk is the main business center of Srinagar. It was named after the Red Square of Moscow, Russia. It was here that Sheikh Abdullah, in presence of Jawaharlal Nehru, then Prime Minister of India, announced in 1948 that Kashmir will be with India. Since then, much has happened in Lal Chowk. From Lal Chowk, we have come to Adus, the century-old restaurant Adus. Adus closes by 9:30. We were late, but we requested and managed to get in. We were not so hungry, but were more keen to spend some time at this legendary restaurant. Nice ambience, indoor and outdoor. We ordered for tabak maz and rogan josh. Tabak maz was superb. Rogan josh was also very good. In the morning, I am at the Hat-Trick Bakery.
दो बैटरी है, ये हैंडल है और एक पूरा केस है।
अच्छा इधर गए
50 का पड़ा मिल
उधर बाहर
नहीं, ये मिल जाता है यहाँ इंडिया में।
बाहर मिलता है इधर इधर महंगा मिलेगा क्योंकि बाहर थोड़ा फर्क होता है सब।
नहीं, आप इसी कंपनी का,
आप
हाँ इसी कंपनी का आपको मिल जाएगा।
इसका क्या नाम है?
GoPro.
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 Shopkeeper is more interested in my camera than selling his products.
आपका ये बिक्री कहाँ है? पीछे ही है या
नहीं
यहीं?
सर, हमारा फैक्ट्री जुगरा में है।
अच्छा, ओके। और ये कौन सा बिस्किट है?
कौन से? ये सर,
ये तो नमकीन
ये
वाला
है सर चीज स्वीट।
चीज स्वीट।
चीज
गुड मॉर्निंग। घूम के आया, थोड़ा बेकरी का सामान चाहिए था।
चलो ठीक है, लाया
हाँ, वो खुला ही लेट।
9:30 बजे।
Already late, we quickly proceed to the airport. Srinagar airport is under army. There are multiple checkpoints at this airport. It is advisable to reach 3 hours before time. Lucky to get Tariq as our driver for all these days. He's a good driver and excellent human being. I'll put his phone number for anyone wants to use him. Saying goodbye to Tariq. Our 6 days have been so wonderfully spent, taking back fond memories of Kashmir. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskar.